Welcome to Compare to Win. The best PS5 Paddle Controller is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for serious gamers looking to elevate their gameplay, offering a significant competitive edge and a more immersive experience by providing additional programmable buttons that can be mapped to any in-game action, reducing the need to take your thumbs off the analog sticks during crucial moments, ultimately leading to faster reaction times and more precise control over your character's movements and abilities. Number 5. Victrix Pro BFG Wireless Gaming Controller. Introducing the Victrix Pro BFG, the leading esports controller for PlayStation and PC. It's won multiple awards for its innovative design and performance. Easily switch between PS5, PS4, and PC with the built-in mode selector. Enjoy immersive, high-quality audio through the integrated jack, supporting 3D audio. Adapt it to your playstyle with swappable modules. Choose between standard or offset analog sticks, or install the Fight Pad module for a 6-button layout. Program the 4 back buttons and utilize the multi-position clutch triggers with 5 stopping points for precise control. Save up to 3 custom profiles directly on the controller. Connect to the Victrix Control Hub app on PC to further customize your experience. Optimize battery life, enhance wireless stability, remap buttons, and more. Recognized for excellence, it has received accolades such as Best Gaming Accessory and Best Modular Controller. What we like. This controller is built for the serious gamer. Its modular design allows you to swap components like the stick and D-pad for a truly personalized experience. If you're an esports enthusiast or a fighting game fan looking for ultimate control, this is the one for you. What people say. The controller has a great design and feels comfortable in the hands. The paddles on the back are a game changer, allowing for quicker reactions and more precise movements. The build quality is excellent, and the buttons are responsive and durable. Number 4. KontrolFreek Performance Grips for PS5 Controller. Elevate your gameplay with our advanced controller grips. Designed for PlayStation 5, they offer unparalleled control and comfort for extended gaming sessions. Experience a new level of grip thanks to a unique 3-layer material combination. This ensures maximum stability and reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to play longer and better. Our moisture-wicking top layer keeps your hands cool and dry, even during intense gaming moments. This optimized airflow prevents slippage and enhances your focus. The foam cushioning layer conforms to your palm, providing a feel similar to dense memory foam. Enjoy superior support and comfort that adapts to your grip. Applying them is a breeze, and you can reposition or remove them without leaving any damage or residue on your controller. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. Choose the style that matches your setup. They are available in Nightfall Black, Inferno Red, and Galaxy Purple to personalize your gaming experience. What we like. Tired of your hands slipping during intense gaming sessions? These grips offer superior traction and comfort with a 3-layer system that wicks away moisture. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your controller feel and prevent slippage, these are a great choice. What people say. The controller has a sleek design and feels comfortable in hand. The added paddles on the back are a game changer, allowing for quicker reactions and more complex inputs without taking your thumbs off the sticks. Customization options for button mapping are extensive, letting you tailor the controls to your specific playstyle. Number 3. eXtremerate Rise Back Buttons for PS5 Controller. Introducing our redesigned K1 and K2 back buttons, specifically crafted for the eXtremerate Rise Remap kit for PS5 controllers. These ergonomic buttons offer a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove the original back button housing on your eXtremerate Rise Remap kit for PS5 controller and replace it with these new parts. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, these buttons are built to last. They provide a durable and practical upgrade for your gaming setup. Personalize your controller with a variety of color options available. Choose the perfect shade to match your style and enhance your gameplay. This package includes 1 set of replacement back buttons. Please note that the controller, Rise Remap board, and other accessories are sold separately. What we like. This is for those who already have a specific modding kit installed. These are replacement back buttons designed to work with the eXtremerate Rise Remap kit. If you've already got the kit and need to replace or customize your back buttons, these are the perfect fit. What people say. The controller feels great in the hands and the paddles are a game changer for shooters. The build quality is solid and the paddles are programmable, allowing for custom button mapping. It offers a competitive edge in games, especially with the added paddles for quick actions. Number 2. eXtremerate Silver Metal RMB Rise 2.0 Remap Kit for PS5 BDM 010-020. Turn your standard PS5 controller into a professional eSport Elite controller with this advanced remap kit. It's designed to enhance your gaming performance and give you a competitive edge. This kit is specifically designed for PS5 controllers BDM 010 and BDM 020. Please ensure you check your controller model before purchasing to avoid compatibility issues. Experience enhanced control with 2 new ergonomic back buttons. Crafted from durable metal, they offer a premium feel and improved grip, with a satisfying press to prevent accidental activation. Assign up to 15 different button functions to the back buttons. This allows for a highly personalized control scheme tailored to your playstyle and favorite games. Installation requires some hands-on skill, with optional soldering. Comprehensive video guides are available online to assist you through the process. This remap kit is fully compatible with other eXtremerate accessories, including LED kits, hair trigger kits, and replacement buttons and shells. Enhance your setup further. What we like. Elevate your game with these real metal back paddles. They offer a premium feel and enhanced durability, allowing for up to 15 button assignments. If you're aiming for professional play and want a controller that feels as good as it performs, these are a top-tier upgrade. What people say. The controller feels great in the hands, and the paddles are perfectly placed. The customization options for the paddles are fantastic, allowing for a truly personalized experience. The build quality is superb, and the controller feels very durable. Number 1. Tilted Nation Gaming Headset and Controller Stand. Introducing a gaming stand that offers both practicality and style. It's a charging station for your controllers and a holder for your headset, designed to complement your gaming setup. Keep your controllers charged and ready with the convenient magnetic USB-C adapter. This stand makes charging simple, even for older generation remotes with wired charging. Give your headset the home it deserves. Instead of leaving it on your desk, this stand provides a dedicated spot for headsets of all sizes, keeping your space tidy. Enhance your gaming atmosphere with customizable RGB lighting. Choose from multiple static and dynamic modes to match your mood and setup with just a touch. This stand features a built-in USB hub with multiple ports. It's perfect for charging extra controllers or connecting essential peripherals like hard drives and cameras. What we like. Declutter your gaming space and keep your gear ready to go. This stand not only displays your controller and headset but also features a charging station and a USB hub for extra connectivity. If you value a clean setup and convenience, this stand is an excellent addition to your desk. What people say. The controller has a great feel and the paddles are very responsive. The customizability of the paddles is a game changer for competitive play. It's a solid build and the extra buttons add a new dimension to gameplay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.